Take a step towards improving safety in your facility through solidifying liquid medical waste to help prevent infection. Fully solidified medical waste minimizes exposure and risk of cross-contamination by preventing airborne contaminants, splashes, and spills. Our Guardian suction canister system is one of our 3 canister lines used to collect medical waste. Cardinal Health Medi-Vac Solidifiers are a super absorbent polymer powder that turns liquid into a gel-like substance. Solidifiers can be added to the canister through the accessory port. Prior to starting the procedure, or at the conclusion of bodily fluid collection, the liquid solidifies into gel, so splashes and spills are virtually eliminated, reducing the risk of exposure to blood and contaminated bodily fluids, keeping your staff safe. Our Medi-Solid Plus solidifier with treatment decontaminates waste as it gels, further reducing the risk of dangerous bloodborne pathogens, allowing hospitals to dispense of full suction canisters in non-regulated white bag trash, dramatically decreasing waste management costs, all while increasing the safety of your facility. Complete your fluid management portfolio and improve safety in your facility with solidifiers. To order or find out more, contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or customer service today.